Yes. Big up on yourself. And I don't know, so this is real Big Boss Entertainment with the latest vlogs. So we're going to talk about thug life. Thug life is not an easy life to live, you know. That's one thing I know. You understand what I say? Because once you're in, it's one of the hardest things to get out. It's like you're stuck into a system where the deeper you go into the rabbit hole is the harder it for you to get out. You don't want to take that road. You understand? And many have head on that road and many have, you know, not succeeded. Because it don't make no sense. You go through all of that and, you reach at a stage where everything fall apart. And when everything fall apart, you're back at square one. So you can't keep the same repetitive pattern. Many have realized and decide to change their life. Just like myself, me I one of them. Because when you're young and you don't understand certain things in your life, you fuck up. You make a lot of mistake. Not intend to, but you learn from your lesson them and find out say certain things not work for you. And that teaches me to also company wise, company that I keep on these things, I have to let go of some of them. Because it's not good for me. I want the best for myself. So I have to create the best for myself and change up my surrounding and my lifestyle and everything. So thug life is not an easy life to live. It's a very, very, very rough one. You understand? And the real cheddar them out there, them know. You understand what I say? It's a dark road. It's not an easy road. You understand what I say? And I said, we if me think this way, enough man out there said we think the same way. It's not easy. So you just have to stay focused and stay strong in life, and motivate yourself and uplift yourself, and try to, gather yourself to reach on a higher level. You see me I say, I just saw the thing go. Yeah. And try do your best to know how if you can put one and two together to make it in a life. I just saw the thing go, you understand. Big up on yourself, my people, because you don't know, so this is real big boss around here. You understand? Thug life and a free life. We drop that. Remember that.